Hi everyone. Today we are going to see airport site selection. So some of the factors for required for the selection of a suitable site. First one, regional plan. Next, airport use, proximity to other airports. Then ground accessibility. Next, topography, obstructions, visibility, wind data, noise nuisance, grading, drainage and soil characteristics, future development, availability of utilities from the nearby town, and finally the economic consideration. So first one, regional plan. The site should fit for regional plan by forming it an integral part of the national network of airport. Next one, airport use. So the selection is dependent on type of the use, whether for civilian airport or for military operation. In emergency, civilian airports also used for military purpose. Proximity to other airport. The site should be considerable from the existing airport so that landing in one airport does not interfere with the other airport. So minimum spacing have been suggested by authorities of airport. For airport serving small aviation aircraft under VFR condition is 3.2 km. For aircraft serving bigger aircraft, say 2 piston engine under VFR condition is 6.4 km. For aircraft operating piston engine aircraft under IFR is 25.6 km. For aircraft operating jet engine aircraft under IFR is 160 km. Next one, ground accessibility. So the site should be selected that it is readily accessible to the user. The passenger time is more concern rather than the actual time in air travel. So the time required to reach an airport not exceeds 30 minutes. It should be located adjacent to the main highway. Topography. It includes ground, contours, trees, streams. A rise ground usually considered for airport because the reason behind that is less obstruction in approach zone, natural drainage, more uniform wind, better visibility. Next one, obstruction. For landing or takeoff, long clearance areas are provided on either side of runway known as approach zone. These structures are controlled by zoning laws. Next one, visibility. The site should be free from visibility, reducing conditions like fog, smoke, or any high-rise building, monumental structure, etc. Next one, wind. So the runway is oriented by wind data. So this wind data, that is the direction, duration, and intensity collected over a minimum of 5 years from the nearby area. Next one, noise nuisance. Noise depends on type of propulsion and gross weight of aircraft. The problem is more with jet engine, so that area should away from residential and industrial area. Grading, drainage and soil characteristics. So the grading and drainage play an important role in the construction and maintenance of airport. Generally, pervious material, that is gravel, sand soils, are suitable for airport construction. Next one, the future development. So generally air traffic volume will continue to increase in future. So there are more number of runways provided, more number of facilities for processing of passengers, baggage and cargo should be provided. Also zoning laws should be implemented to prevent growth of undesirable structures within the area. So next one, availability of utilities from town. So the nearby town should have the facility to supply the airport. First one, water supply, sewer drainage, telephone connection and also the electricity connection. Economic consideration. So the estimate should be prepared for various sites that include land cost, clearing and grading of land, drainage, removal of hazard, paving, turfing, lighting, construction of buildings, access roads and automobile parking areas. Select from one off from above which is economical for us. So before going to select an airport, we should consider the following criteria for the selection of an ideal airport site. Okay, thank you.